Welcome to the TeraBox Webmaster program. In this video, we'll show you how you can start earning money easily with TeraBox. With the TeraBox referral program, you can easily earn over $100 a week, no matter which plan you choose. Let's see how you can start earning today. First, you can earn money by inviting new users to TeraBox. For every new user who signs up using your shared file link, you can earn up to $1.20. Simply share your referral link with your audience, and every time someone signs up, you'll earn a commission. You can earn by sharing your paid content. With the TeraBox program, you can set flexible prices for your content, up to $100 per link. Another great way to earn is by sharing videos. For every 1,000 views on your shared video, you can earn up to $2. If your video gets 30,000 views a day, you could earn $4.20 a week. Simply upload your video, share the link, and start gaining views. The more views you get, the more you earn. With TeraBox, you receive your rewards quickly upon withdrawal. Plus, you'll have access to a detailed dashboard where you can track your commissions and new user signups. Participation in the referral program is completely free. So, what are you waiting for? Choose a plan, share your links, and start earning money online with TeraBox today.